This slideshow is to demonstrate how simple the installation is for the new anti-splat arrow pedal extensions for your RV. The tools required to do this installation will be your cordless drill or your drill. You'll need 3 drill bits. The first one will be a 1/8 inch. The second will be a 17/64. The third will be a 19/64. The first thing you'll do is take your center punch and center punch where you want the center of your pedal to be. And that wants to be pointing straight back and in the middle of your rudder pedal. And then you drill the 1/8 hole on your center punch. Then you drill a 17/64 through hole all the way through the pedal bar. Then you take your 19/64 bit and only drill through the very front. This allows you some clearance to be able to adjust the pedal up and down. Once that's done, then the next thing will be to do the other pedal, obviously, and then all that's left to do is install the 2 extensions and tighten them up. Now this photo is a little confusing. You're actually going to only have 1 hole through the bar. This photo just shows you the center punch and the progression that you're going to go through. But in reality, you're only going to have 1 hole in each pedal. Now, once this single hole is done and deburred, you'll stick your bolt in that comes in your kit from the back side of the pedal bar and screw on the black flat attach nut that goes inside the slot in the extrusion. Now you'll only screw on this slot nut about 1 to 2 threads. Then you're going to install your aluminum pedal and set it where you like it and tighten the bolt up. Now this installation is very simple, and what pictures you have here in the slideshow should be more than adequate to complete your installation. The only addition that I might add is once you've fitted these up and see that you like what you have, you may want to remove the pedal and put a drop of Loctite on the threads that go through the black slot nut, and then reinstall your pedals and tighten them up to about 12 to 14 inch-pounds, and you should be done.
One told me to be strong, and don't shed a tear.